It's Sunday the 4th of September and we've left Vienna, paddled about 8 kilometers down to this next lock, and the Austrians are very poor at signage, so we've not seen any portage signs or anywhere to get the boat out, and when we rang the lock keeper he wouldn't allow us through the lock and sent us to the other side of the complex. And there were no trolleys, so we rang again and said there are no trolleys, can we come through the lock? And he's allowed us through the lock, so we're now waiting. It's coming up to 4 o'clock on Sunday the 4th of September, and we've made it to Hainburg on the Austrian-Slovakian border, and at the moment we're standing in Austria, and over there is Slovakia, and down there is Bratislava, and there is Mike, still walking in Austria. So we have an option of wild camping here, or waiting to see what Mike reports further on.
I think that's the best spot.
Okay, fine, great. And as an old people's river cruise goes past, it's the end of Sunday, August the 4th. September the 4th, yes. And here we are having a nice fire with our
Friends the mosquitoes.
tents in the background, and Slovakia in the distance. Monday the 5th of September, and last night it rained consistently all night, and it's still raining this morning. So we're packing up 3 soggy tents and getting on the river. Well, although it's raining this morning, at least the flow of the Danube is reasonably fast. Okay, it's 10 to 8 and we've reached Slovakia, and in front of us is Bratislava, and in honour of the Slovakian people we will now play the Slovakian national anthem. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Very similar to the national anthem in Great Britain, really. Very similar. This is the whitewater rafting centre that we're camped at. It's the football pitch. This is one of the outdoor bar areas. And this is the main block itself, with a lovely marquee. But just everything looks very tired. This is an impressive complex. Must be spending a fortune pumping the water down here, and no one's using it. This is another outside bar area. Doesn't look as if they've used the barbecues for quite some time. And if you fancy an ice cream, nope. How about a Coca-Cola? Nope. Maybe one over here. No. And these are all the flagpoles for the visiting countries that come to this particular whitewater rafting centre. Obviously they're not expecting too many people anytime soon. And this is the hotel you can stay at. Upstairs on the first floor, hotel guests, and this is strictly for hotel guests, can while away many hours sitting on luxurious sofas with fully ill-fitting covers, complete with stains and a widescreen TV. And if you don't like watching television, you can admire the pot plant or play table tennis. If you didn't fancy staying in the hotel, you could of course come out to one of the delightful log cabins, complete with communal seating area and molehills. And what can you expect in these delightful rustic log cabins? Well, you get a barred window for a start, and 2 bunk beds. No sign of a bathroom though, so it's a long walk to the shower block. And all of this funded by the EU. And as I've walked around the complex, I've found 2 guests who are staying here. I'm going to ask them what reaction they have to this wonderful facilities here. So, Mike, is it Mike?
No.
No, okay. What do you think of this wonderful complex?
It's real. We were just saying it's an oasis in a desert of industrial devastation.
Any other further reactions to this